Hello, my name is Devanjan Naidu, son of Rajan Naidu. Metric numbers 1 and 3 479. So today we'll be explaining about our assignment, which is the multiplexer 8 to 1 using IC 74151. So this is a diagram of our circuit. We have 8 input data, which is D0 to D7, and we have 3 selector, which is A, B and C. And also we connected all of these inputs at the negative side to the ground, also with E and also the ground. They are connected to the same ground, and we have also the VCC connected to the power source, the positive end, and the ground is at the negative end. And our output is Y, which is connected to resistor, which is 220 plus minus 5% tolerance ohm, which is then connected to LED, which is we chose a green color LED, and the negative end is then connected to the ground, which is same ground with the rest of the circuit. So let's move on to the truth table for this IC 74151. So as we can see, this is S2, 1 and S0. These are the selector switch for the ICs, and this is the E, where when it is connected to ground it's all low. And also these are the data inputs for in the IC. So when, as you can see, this is the all the outputs of the IC, but we will only be referring to the Z and not Z bar, because our output LED only connected to the Z output and not the Z bar, which is our LED. And so as we can see, we will be looking at when the Z is at a high output. So there are exactly 8 conditions for the Z to have an high output, 3, 4 and this. So as we interpret from this, we can actually get to this this is the truth table for the IC for when we only use one output.
Hi, my name is Shanmuga Prasan, son of Nagaratnam. My metric number is 194904. Let's continue with our truth table. So this is a 3 selector, S0, S1 and S2. So this 3 selector got one output, which is a Y. So this is very important, which is 1. The truth table, when 1 is connected to ground in the circuit and 0 means connected to the VC in the circuit too. So let's move on to the circuit. Before that, I should give you the IC. This is IC 74151, and this is the pin diagram of IC, which is this is data input, 4 data input. First D0, D1, D2 and D3, and here the another 4 data input, D4, D5, D6 and D7, and this is a VCC which is connected to the voltage source, and this is ground, and E also should be connected into ground. So there is a 2 ground, and this Y0 we are not using, and we are only use Y as output because our multiplexer is 8 to 1 multiplexer, and this is there is a 3 selector which is playing an important role in the IC. So let's move on to the circuit. So this circuit, the IC are placed in the center, and the wire are connected across it, and these 3 wire act as a selector, and this is a VCC, and other 4 are D4 until D7, and here this is a ground wire, and this is a E wire, and other in data inputs, and this black wire is output, which is Y, which is known as this place Y. So this Y are connected to the LED. Before connected to LED, we should have a resistor because prevent the LED from burn. So let's try to the based on our truth table. So this truth table, just try D3. We just try simply take D3. So 1 1 0. So selector, you need to select this selector. You need to put which one is connected to ground. So 1 1. So 2 are connected to ground. So I already connected, and it's another one S2 is connected to VCC because 0 means connect to VCC. So after this connection, just connect the D0 out D3 into ground and just try the battery. So the light is on. So then we can also use D naught. Okay, we just take a D naught. D naught is 0 0 0. So we connect this into ground and other two into VCC. So let's try now. This we already have 0 0 0, which is three of the selector are connected into VCC, and we try now. So the bulb is light up. So from here we can know this is a multiplexer. Our circuit function well. So that's all from me. Thank you.